I'm absolutely blown away, honestly, that ESAB would take the time to engage with our high school.
If we don't train the welders and we don't train the fitters when they're young or in their school, they're never going to find this industry. So ESAB's donation, providing tools for these kids to learn on, it's going to have a big impact on the future of the workforce.
So the key word there is future. It's the future, isn't it? Because when you think about the industry, we know that there is a huge amount of projects, both in the United States and globally, that will require welding and fabrication talent. So more and more young people need to go into the trade. So we are really excited that we can partner with different vocational schools, apprenticeships, and different types of programs and scholarships in order to encourage both young women and men to go into this field. Because not only is it an exciting field, but it's great pay, great benefits, great future. So why wouldn't you want to go into it?